The components we needed are an Arduino UNO board, a MQ3 sensor, and some jumper cables, and 2 LED bulbs, one for red and green. So the MQ3 sensor have 4 pins. 2 of them are for the power and rest of the 2 of them are for signal output. So I am connecting the VCC and ground pin, which will power up our module. And I am connecting the digital output pin and the analog output pin. Now we are connecting the 2 LEDs to our Arduino UNO board. So I am connecting the green LED to pin number 7 and 6 and the red LED to pin number ground and 13. Now we can connect the MQ3 sensor with our Arduino UNO board. So first of all we need to power up it. So I am connecting the 5 volt pin with the VCC of MQ3 sensor and ground to ground. And analog output pin. And connecting the digital output pin to the Arduino UNO. Okay, so this is our connections we need to make. Now we can program our Arduino UNO board. So first in the void setup, we need to declare some pins as our output and input. So pin mode 13 is output. So this pin, the red color LED bulb is connected. Now we are also using the same function pin mode to declare all the rest of the pins as input or output. And we are declaring pin 6 and 7 as output where the green LED is connected, and we have one digital input pin and that is pin number 4. So we are declaring 4 as an input pin. Now in the void loop, I am creating a variable called D to digital read pin number 4. So this will read the digital signals coming from pin number 4. The pin number 4 of Arduino is connected to the MQ3 sensor's digital output. So we have received the digital output from MQ3 sensor and we have read it using the digital read function and stored it into a variable called D. Now we are checking using the if condition that if D is equal to high, we need to digital write 7 high. We need to turn on the green LED. If D is equal to high, we need to turn on the green LED. For that we need to write digital write 7 to high and digital write 6 to low. So this will turn on our green color LED and we also need to turn off our red color LED. For that we need to write digital write 13 to low. Okay. Now we are giving an else if statement and checking if D is equal to low. If D is equal to low, we need to turn on the red color LED. For that I am writing digital write 13 high and we need to turn off the green color LED. For that I am setting all the 2 pins of the LED to low, 7 and 6. So this is the program we need to upload into your code, upload into your Arduino UNO board. Okay, now we can test it. Now at present the green color LED is on, means there is no alcohol present. So I am showing this alcohol presence to the MQ3 sensor. Now the sensor has detected the alcohol and the red color LED has turned on. And when the presence of alcohol is not censored by the MQ3 sensor, the green color LED is turned on. And if any presence of alcohol is sensed by the sensor, the red color LED is turned on.